Most leads die quietly when follow-up is slow or missing. Your hard-earned reputation sits idle instead of fueling revenue. In this video, I will show you how to plug the revenue leaks caused by missed follow-up and underused reputation. We will keep it simple, practical, and grounded, with a few smart ways to use automation and AI without losing the human touch. Imagine a local plumber who gets 10 inquiries in a day. 4 come in while the team is on jobs. 2 people leave voicemails. 2 people fill out a web form. 2 send DMs on social media. Here is what often happens. The plumber calls back that evening, leaves a voicemail, and hopes for a response. By morning, 3 of those people have already booked with someone else. Not because of price, because they heard back faster. Consider a med spa owner dealing with a busy front desk. New leads message on Instagram, email the website, and call at lunch. The team means well, but the day gets hectic. The follow-up slips to the next day. The owner has great reviews, but they are buried on a third page of the website and rarely used in outreach. Leads cool off and drift away. This is not a marketing problem, it is a process problem. The pipeline, meaning the path leads follow from first contact to sale, has holes. Messages are delayed. Reviews are not leveraged. The result is a quiet, steady revenue leak. Here are 3 insights to help you plug those holes and keep more of what you already catch. First, speed and consistency of follow-up beat most marketing upgrades. When someone reaches out, they are usually comparing 2 or 3 providers. The first helpful response wins attention. The second helpful response wins trust. Minutes matter. You do not need a long conversation right away. You need a clear, kind first touch that sets the next step. That might be a text that says you received their inquiry, a link to book a call, or a short checklist to prepare for a quote. Set a simple rule for your team. During business hours, reply within 15 minutes when possible. After hours, send an automated confirmation and a morning follow-up. Even small improvements in response time can reduce drop-off without spending more on ads. Second, your reputation is an asset that should work inside your follow-up, not just sit on a review site. Reputation is proof that others trust you. It lowers risk for a new buyer. Collect your best 5 to 10 reviews. Choose ones that mention outcomes, speed, and care. Turn them into a small kit you can reuse. Include a short before and after story, 1 photo if relevant, and a clear statement of what you do best. Weave this proof into your messages at natural moments. In your first reply, add 1 line that says, "Here is how we helped a homeowner with the same issue." In your email signature, include a link to your top reviews. On your booking page, add 2 short testimonials. This is not bragging. It is reducing buyer uncertainty. Third, automation and I should support human sales moments, not replace them. Automation means software that sends messages or reminders without you. I means smart software that can draft and route messages based on patterns. Use automation for simple, repeatable tasks. Missed call text back. Form submission confirmation. Appointment reminders. Follow-up prompts for your team. These keep the pipeline moving even when you are busy. Use AI to draft first replies, organize inquiries, and suggest next steps. Then have a human review before sending if the situation is sensitive. I can also surface the right testimonial based on the service requested. The goal is to help your team respond faster, with context, and hand off smoothly when a real conversation is needed. Guardrails matter. Make sure automated messages are short, human, and clear. Do not pretend to be a person if the message is automated. Respect privacy. Keep the human handoff visible and easy. Your reputation is built on trust. Automation should strengthen that, not strain it. Now, let's turn this into action with a few low-lift steps you can implement this week. Map the first 48 hours of your follow-up. Write the exact steps for call, text, email, and DM. Decide who owns each step and what the next action is if there is no reply. Set up a missed call text back. When a call is missed, send a short text that says you received it, share when you will call back, and include a link to book a time. Build your reputation kit. Save your top reviews, one short case story, and one relevant photo in a shared folder. Create 2 or 3 message snippets that pull from this kit. Use them in outreach and on booking pages. Create a daily follow-up block. Schedule 30 minutes at the same time each day to clear open inquiries. Use a simple checklist. First touch, reminder, final touch, archive. Measure the leak. Track weekly counts of new inquiries, first responses sent, booked calls, and closed deals. Look for the step where numbers drop most. Fix that step before buying more ads. Picture a scenario where a small home services company applies these steps. Incoming calls get a friendly text back and a booking link. Web leads receive a short reply within minutes and one proof point. The owner has a daily follow-up block to clear the pipeline. The reputation kit sits ready and it shows up in the right moments. Without increasing ad spend, more inquiries become booked jobs because fewer slip through the cracks. Here's the perspective I want you to hold. Revenue grows when you stop losing what you already earned. Make your system strong first. Then let your marketing feed a pipeline that keeps what it catches. If you want help applying this in your workflow, reach out. I will walk you through a simple plan and help you choose the right level of automation for your team.